Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to program some Craftsman garage door opener remotes. I've got two different types. They will both work for my garage door opener that I have. It says models 139.30498 and 139.30499, but it will work on other models if you just program it the right way. So the first one, there's a little button on the back of this, a little pen or a screw or something to just tap that button in. Tap the button. You want to go up to your garage door opener. There's a learn button right here. Mine's orange. So you want to hit that button. Like that. And you go back to your remote and you press, if it's orange, you hit it 3 times. And then you exit the programming by hitting any button other than one you hit. Then you go back up, press the learn button again. And then you click on, and the light's gonna flash on and off once when you hit that button again. And it exits the program mode, and now it should be ready to work. Okay, that's the first way. That's the program of the remote that has the button on the back. That's how you do that. Now we're going to do the other remotes next. One thing I forgot to mention is the step 2, after you hit the button on the back here, depending on what color your learn mode is, mine was orange, so I had to hit the learn button 3 times. I had to hit the button on the remote 3 times after hitting the learn button. If yours is yellow, you're going to hit it once. If your learn button is purple, you're gonna hit the button twice. If it's orange, you hit it 3 times. If it's green, you're gonna hit the button on the remote 4 times to get it into program mode. I just wanted to mention that because there are different learn buttons depending on what model you have. So that's just a little tip I wanted to give you on that before you keep going. Thanks. Okay, we got this remote. It's a little bit easier to do as far as the program settings go. First thing you do is you find your learn button on the garage door opener. Hold it. Press the button that you want to program on here until the lights flicker. Press the orange button again. To exit program mode, you want to hit this button again till the lights flash. And then you press the button. Abby, you're gonna have to move. Here we go. Abby, you're gonna have to, Abby, move. Dog's in the way. There we go. Now it works. There you go. And that's it. And that's how you program these Craftsman garage door opener remotes. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.